Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, we are going to see if you want to draw a button in Excel and you cannot find the option, how can we enable that? So if you are working in Excel and looking for a option to draw a button and assign a macro to it, and you cannot find that option because you're first time going to use it, it won't be available, it won't be visible to you. So I'll show you how to make it visible to you and you can draw the button and assign a macro to it. I'm working in Excel 2010, so let me start the Excel. So here, when this Excel will start, Excel 2010, we won't have an option to draw a button, and this button is available on developer tab. So you see here there is no developer tab available. So first of all, how to enable that developer tab, or how to make it visible for us to use? So for that, click on File, click on Options, go to Customize ribbon, and on right hand side you see this developer is unchecked. Just check it, click OK. So as soon as we clicked OK, this developer tab is enabled for us, it's available for us, and here you can draw the button and you can assign a macro to it and you can do a lot of things. So insert, here it is, button, and simple, we have button here. So as soon as we draw a button, it's asking whether which macro you want to assign it. So for now I don't have any macro, but I can create a macro and I can assign it. So for now I'm just clicking yes, okay, and this is the button available for us. You can customize the button by editing the button and its text, everything. So that's it, friend, from this tutorial where we got to know that how to enable the developer tab in in Excel, and how to draw a button and assign a macro to it. Thank you.